YouTube, what it do, man? Welcome back to another video. As y'all boys can see, we do got the tune on, man. We not finna do all that talking and playing, man. We finna get right into the video. Know y'all boys ready to see it. Got the 360 on. We finna hop right into the POV. We're gonna talk about the tune and all that when we hop in the car. Hit y'all with that warm start. Y'all know how we do it. Y'all, before we hop into the video, I know y'all boys want to hear it without the rev limiter, so I'm gonna set y'all up and let y'all hear it without the rev limiter, man. Let's do it. Know y'all been waiting on that bit. I ain't been able to stay out that bit since it been tuned. So let's do it. Let's do it. That bit, y'all see how that bit shift right before red line? Look how that bit throwing me back in the seat, boy. That torque is crazy. Oh, we just getting started. We just getting started. We just getting started, little twin. This bitch ain't no hoe. Clean vet. Alright, as y'all boys know, I did get a PCM tune and the TCM tune. So my trans tune and the engine tune, man, on 93. And as y'all seen the dyno run, man, had a dyno run in there. But yeah, the car, night and day difference, man. The way it shift, the shift points, all that, man. Hey, I see why y'all boys been telling me, go on tune that bit, but I've been missing out. This bit feel like a whole nother car, I swear to God. This bit here is crazy. I try not to do too much talking, man. I just want y'all to hit it bit for real. Oh my God, y'all see that torque, nigga? Yeah, that bit crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all know long two headers next, man. Y'all know that. Y'all boys let me know how y'all like that rev limiter go. I'm loving that right there. But y'all see how fast this bitch get up though? What that? Oh my God, but that torque something serious. that motherfucking torque. She ain't no hoe, man. Man, these roads here. Old folks don't know what to hit there. Go back that way. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. But a phone just came up out the cup holder, boy. Oh my God. I gotta prop y'all boys back up. Boy, oh my goodness. Y'all see how crazy that torque is? But a phone just came up out the cup holder, twin. Oh my God. Y'all, man, y'all let me know how y'all liking the tune, man. I'm loving this bit. I'm loving this bit. I'm loving every bit of it, man. Make sure y'all boys follow up on that ground, man. I dropped a lot of behind the scenes when I got tuned on the ground, so y'all make sure y'all follow the ground, bro. Everything come out first on us, so y'all can see everything first. Yeah, man, that transmission tune got that bit. It's different, bro. You just gotta feel it, bro. It be different, fool. I'm telling you. Oh my God. Y'all see how I can just maneuver through that bit? Oh yes, sir. It be feel like it lightweight, twin. That be hitting, man. Yeah, man, that's gonna wrap this one up for today, man. Y'all boys let me know how y'all like the tune, man. Hope y'all boys enjoy it. Like I said, man, make sure y'all follow that gram, bro, so y'all can see behind the scenes of everything, bro. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Hype the video too, man. Hype that bit. That bit gonna help us out a lot. Y'all boys went crazy on the last video. Let's run up the numbers again like that. Y'all got your boy to 100 likes. Let's try to do double that. Let's try to do more than that, man. Y'all got your boy to 100 likes. Man, I'm gonna shoot for like 125. Y'all boys get this video to 125. We got more crazy bangers on the way, man. And yeah, man, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that, man. I'm gone.